Hello folks, this is another video from Microsoft Excel. This time the topic is format a spreadsheet. To format the spreadsheet you will need to do the following. Add a new row. Expand that row. Insert text and format that vertically. Insert an image. That image will be your logo. Add borders. Alter the font for the title, but also the font that sits inside the spreadsheet itself. You always need to move away from the default font, which is Calibri. Use text wrap and sort. Now you will see from the instructions and the changes that you need to make, some of these are in red. The reason for that is they've already been presented before in a previous video. That video was called Creating a Spreadsheet. So if you have forgotten how to do that, you will need to move back to that video and refresh your memory. Now, you will also see that one insert image has been put in green. We have done this extensively when you were creating your logo, and you've also done it throughout your newsletter as well. So that skill should already be there. So what we need to concentrate on in this video is to add your row and to sort. So let's begin first of all by adding the row. You will see the row at the top is blank, but I'm going to add a row on top of that just to keep things neat. To add a row, you need to come across to the numbers, not the cells themselves that sit inside the spreadsheet, but you will need to move across to the number. When you get to the number, if you right click, and from there if you slide down to insert, it will automatically put a new row on for you. The next thing that we need to do is we need to be able to sort. Now there is more than one way to sort, but I like to take control of that sort, so I do that slightly differently, but it works very well for your level 2 essential skills, and it's also then a skill that you can take from one spreadsheet to the next. Now, the way I want to sort this is by product, and you can see at the moment as I start to move down that they have been typed in as I have thought of them. They're not in alphabetical order, and what I would like to do is to set those to alphabetical order. You always need to highlight the headings. Highlight the headings gives Microsoft Excel something to work with. And because I want to sort not just the product column, but I want to sort quantity, price, cost excluding discount, discount, and cost including discount, I will highlight those headings as well. Notice that I have only come down to the very bottom of where you can see the last item, which was the sandwich trays, and I'm not coming down as far as the totals, because I do not want the totals to be sorted. Once I get in there, I'm then ready to go and change my tab. I'm in the Home tab at the moment, but I'm now dealing with data. So if I click into the data, and you will see the ribbon will come up corresponding to that tab. Right in the middle, you have a large button that says Sort. So if I click into that button, it will bring up a dialog box for me. Now that dialog box allows me to tell Microsoft Excel what to do. So I want to sort. So what column do I want to sort by? And I want to sort by product. So if I click on the drop down arrow, you will be able to see that I have all my column headings available. And if I click into product, it knows that I want to sort by product. I want to sort on the values that fit in there. Those values would be something like electrical kettle, cutlery, plate, mug. It's the text that sits inside that column. And I want to sort A to Z. A to Z is alphabetical. If I click OK, you will see that it's now been sorted correctly. We're now going from the cake stand to cutlery to dessert forks to electric kettle. And you can see the quantity, the unit price, cost excluding discount, discount, and cost including discount has also been sorted for me. In other words, that record has stayed intact. That would end the lesson then for formatting your spreadsheet. Thank you.